In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a rear sway bar link on your Honda Accord. Using a 19mm socket, remove the lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Using a 3/16 hex head, we're going to hold the sway bar stud. I'll use a 14mm wrench to take the nut off. And my hex head just rounded off inside. We're going to put a pair of locking pliers on the back side to hold it while we take the nut off. Remove the nut. Pull the sway bar link out of the bar. I'm going to do the same thing on the top one. Remove the nut. Remove the sway bar link out of the knuckle and out of this e-brake bracket. Install the sway bar link through the e-brake bracket and the knuckle, and then through the sway bar on the bottom. Start the nuts. Using a 3/16 hex head, we're going to hold the stud while we install the nut onto the sway bar link. Torque the top nut to 32 foot-pounds. Torque the bottom to 28 foot-pounds. Install the wheel. Install the lug nuts. And we'll go around and snug them down. Using a 19mm socket, torque your lug nuts in a star pattern to 80 foot-pounds.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.